The word of God in the book of James chapter 4 verse 7 says, "Submit yourselves therefore unto God. Resist the devil and he will flee." That is all that you need to do to be set free, to break forth from any form of addiction. Resist the devil and he will flee. Satan has no power over you, believer. In Jesus' mighty name, be released. You need to resist the devil through positive thinking. Deliverance starts in the mind. You need to resist the devil through abiding in the word of God, spending time in the word of God, spending time in the presence of the Lord. Find spiritual music, watch spiritual content, resist the devil through what you watch. In Jesus' mighty name, you are blessed.